You asked about Dr. Hahn, the new FDA commissioner, and what that means for us. One of the things I find so interesting is that Dr. Hahn, of course, being not only the role that he has, but the background that he has as an oncologist from MD Anderson, I think it's the perfect person at the perfect time. I think it just validates that we are in the oncology era. And it reminds me of that old story about that famous flood and that ark that transported people safely from point A to point B during the flood. I think we're going to be in another flood. And that the data would say over the next 5 years, about 1/3 of all approved drugs coming to market are going to be in the oncology space. So in order for that to not be a flood, in order for that to not be clinicians drinking from a fire hose, we need to be the ark. We need to be the vessel that is about succinct, clear communication to explain what's the right product for the right patient with the right mechanism. It's a wonderful opportunity for us as practitioners of the craft of healthcare advertising and marketing communications, specifically in the oncology space, which I think is going to be so pronounced for us as we move forward. Asking about engagement for patients and physicians and platform and media. There was a time not all that long ago that our marketing plan segmentation was, here's the plan for patients, here's the plan for physicians. And then we felt we got so sophisticated when we had our segmentation of, here's our 4 patient segments or our 4 or 5 HCP segments. Well, I really believe that the future is we're going to move from segments to individuals. And we're going to leverage the power of all of this data that we really understand about this particular healthcare professional, how she practices, how she consumes information, when and how she wants to see that information, how she wants to share it back with her patients. And we're going to drive content and messages in a very personalized way that we're going to look back quickly and say that the bifurcation of 4 segments, old school. You asked the big picture, the philosophical, the dream in healthcare in 2020 and beyond. For me, it would be access for patients, that all the people that need healthcare, that need to see a clinician, that need access to a certain therapy or medicine can get it. And to me, that's not a red team statement, that's not a blue team statement, that's a red, white, and blue team statement, just that everybody would be able to have the care that they need.